Alpha Houston on the big loop for Peggy.
Ventilation to clear out the air. We didn't see much debris at all. We were anticipating there might be some dust and debris, and we didn't really have anything significant at all, so we're real pleased about that. Well, I think Peggy and I both feel that we're just doing what we wanted most to do in life, and I think that's the most important message to all boys and girls, that you should look into your own heart and follow your dreams. But we're also hopeful that someday it means we'll see a woman commander leading an expedition to Mars. Well, I'm certainly enjoying the mission a lot. I think it's a little different when you're the commander because you tend to worry about things a little bit more than you do when you're so I would say that I am cautiously confident. I believe in the crew. I know that they're ready to do this task, and both crews are ready to cope with whatever comes, and we're very hopeful.